Hello, my beautiful friends. It is raining and crappy here, and I'm freezing, but I've got my witch casket, some love, some housekeeping notes, or other cool things to know. If you are in the northern, eastern United States, and you're interested in going camping, and you're over 40, or, I don't card people, but, we don't want, like, teenagers there, and, people in their 20s, because they would be bored with us, because we're old farts, and, but I just posted another camping trip. We have one in May, we have one I just booked one for, September. It'll be, I'll post it below, but it's, at another state park in Pennsylvania, and, you are welcome to come. It costs $5. So, and if you can't afford $5, just tell me and I'll pay for you. If you can come, you just have to get here. All right. What was my other housekeeping note? Another one. I'll remember tomorrow. Anyway, I got my witch casket, and this month is going to be interesting because I don't think I'm going to resonate with a lot of what's in this box from watching other people's boxes, but that doesn't mean that I'm not going to open it. All right, so, Witchcraft, March 2024. Witchcraft, so I'm assuming this is going to be about the craft of witchcraft. Station identification, I don't identify as witch. I like the witch casket because there are always things in here that I like. I've liked every box. This box may not resonate with me because I'm not a practicing witch. I'm not a witch, and I don't identify that way, but clearly it's in the title, so I should prepare for that sort of thing, and it's okay for me to get a box of things I don't resonate with. So we have a picture of the hare. And in the Celtic tradition, the hare represents the underworld and the outer world, so, because rabbits, live in the ground, and so I like that, actually. I like that a lot. So see? Now there's a parchment here. They have cute stickers. I mean, I'm not into the pentagram, which is on everything, but it is their symbol, so, Putting the craft in witchcraft. Oh, this has what's in here, so I'm not going to read it. All right. Parchment spell sheets. Oh. So I know because I watch my friend Hestia, and I know when they do different spells, they have special paper. In fact, I got Hestia some special paper just as a thinking of you sort of thing. But you write special things. So even though I don't do spells, I use this for intentions and also for notes to my ancestors and, things that I want to remember. So, so I'll use that. I mean, I'll use it in a different way, but, certainly I like to use, when I did my Monday, Thursday service, for example, I wrote down on special paper that I had the names of all the saints to put under the candles. So, like, I'll use that like that. I mean, they intended for something else, but that's okay. Witch Casket Ephemera Collection. I gotta say, I love their envelopes. It feels so regal to open this envelope. I don't want to open it because it's so nice. It's got an envelope opener. Like those old-fashioned silver doohickeys that, like, Grandmama had. I probably have a knife or something I can do. Oh, it's like little stickers and stuff. How cool is that? I wonder if we all get the same stickers or if we all get different stickers. But the first sticker that popped up is this star, which I'm from the town of Bethlehem. And so this star is everywhere, and I have one on my front porch. There's all kinds of, like, little things that you can stick in your journal. It's like crafting stuff, like different kind of papers and, the mushroom elixir thing and all kinds of key, little cauldron, one of these guys. That's pretty cool. And then, like, a piece of paper so you can do some journaling. That's awesome. Put that back in there. I won't make you watch through all that. Oh, Intentions cross stitch kit. This is, I saw this. It's a hoop and thread And it says, will it, so mote it be, which is, I think, a phrase that's commonly used in witchcraft. I'm not very good at this sort of thing. I am a musician. I'm not really good at arts and crafts, but I know Sadie likes to do arts and crafts and stuff like this. So, Sadie, if you're watching, you'll be getting this. Unless one of my nieces, my other nieces. Sadie's my adopted niece. All right, what else is in here? It's chock full of stuff. What is this? This is a cool bag with, what's in it? Positive energy charm bag. Raise the vibration of your home with an enchanting charm bag. Oh, and it's got all the things in it. Oh, that's neat. So I'll make the, oh, it smells good. You smell it. It smells good. I like making these little charm bags. I've made like the charm ball at Christmas time or Yule. You know, I like making this kind of stuff. You really can't mess it up, right? And I do like making that kind of stuff. So, you know, different intention will go into it because it'll be an intention for a positive home, not necessarily a spell, right? All right, what is this? This is, oh, this is washi tape, I think. Use this enchanting tape. It's got the coolest box. Oh, it's the So Mote It Be. Like the black kind of witchy craft looking stuff. And then like little cauldrons and stuff. That's cool. That will also go to Sadie for her journaling. So Mote It Be doesn't really resonate with me because that's not a thing that druids say. But, I mean, still, it's a witch casket box, so that's what they say, so that's okay. What's this? All-purpose, not magic spell. I have no idea what that means. So, there's a heart, a key, and the pentagram. There's a piece of rope and a red ribbon. And I imagine that you do something with this all. Tie 4 knots into the string. Oh, not one, a key to lock in my intentions, a heart to attract what I desire, a red ribbon to symbolize fiery power, a pentacle to protect myself. Spell. Blah. Hang this knotted charm in your home to attract what you desire. Huh. I've actually heard of the rope one. I think I've heard of 2 spells. The rope one, because the Celts do something similar, you know, with tying intentions with the cluties, which are rags. And then the other one I watched a video, and this guy made a spell jar, which you bury to get negative energy away from you. So I've seen that. What else do we have? Oh, we have a pretty crystal. There's always a pretty crystal in here. This box is full of stuff. Like, I'm not even, I don't think, halfway done. Look how pretty that is. That's pretty. What is this? This is blue. I can never pronounce the names of crystals. Apatite. Shields against muddled thinking, apathy, and negativity. Oh, I need a bigger rock. I could use a helmet made out of this, please. All right, legit good. There's still stuff in there. There's always a pin. This is like a bottle pin. Maybe like a spell jar pin. So that's pretty. Oh, a magical stamping kit. Oh, I'm trying to get into stamping. I kind of suck at it. Well, no, I suck at the hot wax. All right, so it's like a stamper, and it's got I like the moon. Yeah, pentagram I don't really do, and so I will So Mote It Be. I don't really, I'm not into that. So this might go to Sadie, although I do like that moon. And then there's a giant box. There's a giant box in here. Oh, now this I like. it's a teacup. And inside, it's got all this deck. Oh, that's cool. It's still heavy, so there must be a plate in here. A saucer. Since I drink tea all the time, it's like my daily driver. I don't get to use fancy teacups, but this is the plate and a saucer. And that is beautiful, really. That is very nice. So that'll be for magical tea blends. That's cool. I like that. All right. I might do well with all this stuff. So let's read the wee bookie, shall we? All right. March. I mean, there's a lot of stuff in this box. I'm gonna say legit. You absolutely get what you pay for. It's $40 US, and then it's $10 additional for shipping because they track it. I think. Charming Cup and Saucer, which is an exclusive. Intentions Cross Stitch Kit, which is exclusive. Witchy Washi Tape, which is an exclusive. Ephemera Collection, which is exclusive. All-Purpose Not Magic Spell Kit, that's exclusive. Magical Stamping Set, which is an exclusive. Parchment Spell Sheets, which is an exclusive. Positive Energy Charm Bag Kit, that's an exclusive. And the Tumbled Stone, which is not an exclusive. Sorry, the only thing that's not an exclusive is the Tumbled Stone. Charm Bottle Enamel Pin, I'm so impressed that I knew what that was. The Parchment Scroll, which is an exclusive, and the Hair Art Print, which is an exclusive. So that is, I will say, like, you really do, excuse me, I'm going to sneeze. Maybe not. I will say that, like, you really do get your money's worth. Like, I don't identify it as a witch. I'm certainly, witch-friendly, or an advocate for people doing whatever they want. And not having people be up their butts about it. But I won't use all the things in here because I don't really resonate with pentagram. I don't really resonate with the so mote it be. That's not a phrase that, you know, in Celtic Druidry we use. You know, that's kind of exclusive to witchcraft. But I can certainly give that to my friends who are witches, or to Sadie, my niece, who's a witch. But like the parchment paper I will use. I like the moon stamper. I like, I might try the rope thing, not as a magical spell, but just as an intention setting, because I do like to do things that are meaningful and practices that are meaningful. I like the ephemera, and I like it. It's good. It's a good box. And like I said before, like I subscribe to something called Witch Casket, so that they have a witchcraft themed box. Stands to reason, right? So I can't be critical at all for that for that aspect of the box. I would say, though, if I could make a suggestion to them, is that, like, they have the pentagram and they have the so mote it be on a lot of stuff in here, which if you don't resonate with those words, or, you know, with that image, it makes it hard sometimes to use some of their stuff, which I love. You know, like I sent off one of the wood panels to Belenisi just because I knew she had it already, but like, I'm not going to use it here, you know. So you know, I wish it wasn't on everything, I guess, you know, but I understand why it is, and I mean, and that's okay, because it is a witch box. So I love this box. I feel like I get my money's worth out of it. You know, there's nothing in here that I think, you know, a proper witch wouldn't want. I mean, and the one thing that I love about Witch Casket is that everything in here is different than stuff that you get in every other box. So, you know, like, even though I'm not a witch and I don't identify with some of this stuff, like, every other box I get has, like, the same kind of thing. The only thing that they ever do that's the same is that there's always a crystal, and all the boxes that we get have crystals in them. But, you know, there's so much intention put into this, and so much really design, and the artwork, and the preparation of it. You know, there's so much that's just so unique that even, you know, it's so cool. You know, I've gotten boxes where it might have stuff from India. And you know, I don't honor those traditions either, but it's cool to learn about it. So, you know, I'll learn about some of this stuff, and certainly I'll use all this ephemera in my journal. That's if I can figure out how to put it back into the envelope so I can put it back in the box. I'm not doing a good job of this. So, overall, this is an excellent box. You should get it. I'm going to link it down below, along with if you want to come camping with me. All right, take care. Wishing you all the best. Night and love. Be well. Bye-bye.